Wait a minute. Josh, you're supposed to show us a candy dispenser. Oh, wait until you see what I learned. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, see if we can do this. See the candy inside of there? Well, this is not the dispenser part. This little hole, that little ridge right there, that is your dispenser. So, if you take your Tic Tac thing, or your container, it should, and it did, dispense one. I just learned this, and I really wanted to show everybody, because I was unaware that a Tic Tac case had a built-in candy dispenser. That is so cool, one every time. So there, I have showed you a candy dispenser. See, when you know everything, you can't learn. But when you know nothing like me, you will always continually be interested in learning more. Because you know you won't ever know everything. That's why we have the PEZ book. So we can just put it down and everybody else can see it too. Minty fresh. So until next time...